Alright guys, here we have a international Transstar truck that used to have a Max Force 13 engine in it. Piece of crap, if you ask me. That engine is a piece of shit. But anyway, we ripped that engine out and we put a C12 Cat in it. And it works awesome. This truck's been running for 6 months now, day and night almost, and never had any issues so far. 6 months later, here I am making this video. And so what we did is we put a C12 Cat in it. As you can see, back there is the ECM, there's the wiring harness, and here's the intake pipe that we had to modify. The air filter is the same one, same place. The fan clutch, we had to modify the bracket a little bit. We had to turn it upside down, otherwise the fan was too high for this engine. The front and the back, it mounts right in place where the Max Force used to sit. Same radiator, same everything has been used. So here is a international truck with a Cat engine. First one I've ever seen like this. And so you can see it here. You had to modify this intake pipe again. The turbo comes very close to the cab mount, but it doesn't touch. It's about, I would say, maybe half an inch away, and it never touched so far. Same turbo from the same C12, the same manifold, everything is the same, and everything in the cab is working as it was working before. All the gauges, all the switches, everything is working. As you can see, I'm going to start it up here. Push the clutch in because that is still working. There you have it. The engine brake button, turn it on. The only thing we did is we put a fan override switch in here, just so that you can manually turn the fan on. We really didn't need to, but some people like to have control of the fan. But yeah, everything is working in this truck like it was before. So here you go.